today's video, I have 5 high-end DIYs I think you guys are going to love. This first one, it's Amber Interiors inspired. These darker woods are all over the place now, and I'm just loving them. So this was the perfect opportunity to give one a try. This coffee table was only $15. I got it at the thrift shop. Went in with $120, and then I went in with a $220 using also my favorite sander. And especially in the affordability category, this guy is such a winner. It's the Bosch. Many of you guys recommended it. That's why I ended up with it. I think I paid $60. I will have that link for you guys. It's a great sander. It doesn't wear my hand out as much as the other one that I had, so I like it a lot.
Right here.
You turned into the old man. You get to be an old man, aren't you? Never a dull moment in the garage, as you can see. Can you believe this? I went in with Rust-Oleum decorative glaze, which also can be used as a stain. It's water-based, and you guys already know I love this, and I'm sure you guys love it too. If you've been around this channel any amount of time, you see I use this product a lot. So again, check in the description. I'll have all the supplies and things that you might want to get. You can get it at Home Depot. And as much as I loved how it looked, and I actually was feeling that color, it wasn't quite like the inspo photo. And so to be a true dupe, I figured I better get closer to that darker. And this is pushing me outside my comfort zone a little bit because I'm old enough to have been through the dark wood phase. And then now we went into the light wood. And so it's like now people are picking these chocolate browns. But it's been really fun experimenting and using different colors. I love that people are liking light woods and dark woods. So here's my inspo, the Bogart coffee table, my $15 find, and here's the result. What do you guys think? I love this so much. I think it's just so cute. It needs some kind of sealer, so I'll get around to that. Number 2, One Quaint Mason Farmhouse Living on YouTube inspired this one. I just loved this little nightstand color combo. So me and my friend Amy from Table Flipping Housewife, she's a local furniture flipper that I made friends with from this YouTube channel actually, and she's showing me one of her favorite spots to go thrifting, and we're having a great time. Unfortunately, we didn't find anything that day, but I went back a few days later and found this treasure. And so imagine our text messages to each other. She was very excited to hear that I found something, and I was very excited to have found this as well. There were a few things that were wrong with it though. It had been painted very poorly, so needed quite a bit of sanding. I did my best with the sanding, and then hubby came in and helped me out and did some spraying. It's the dream when your spouse helps you out with all your DIY projects, so I super appreciate him doing the spraying, and he's so darn good at it, you know? It's like when you show somebody you're good at something, they're going to keep asking you to do it, so be careful. But we went with this color called Black Magic by Sherwin-Williams, and we are spraying with, this is Benjamin Moore Advanced that we did in a semi-gloss. And I was torn on this color. I liked it in some lights, and then it looked a little too gray in other lights. And so I think that might be the last time I choose that color, but overall it worked out okay. And then the drawers were a little musty, so I went in with some clear shellac and sealed them. That always works. And then the backs of the drawers, this little plastic part, see how the part is missing, like the little wraparound at the bottom, like the little hooky looking part on the plastic that holds it onto this part right here. You see like the wood slider. It's supposed to slide on that. And if it doesn't have the little hooks, it drops out. So here's my inspo. Here's what I found at the thrift store. And here was my end project. I was really happy with this one. Super pretty. I ended up selling it, and all is well. Okay, so I have Amy back, and she's going to show you this cool little makeover that she did on a vase that we found. So she took me to another thrift shop, and we had lots of fun goofing off. I found some things that I thought about buying, and she found some things she thought about buying. Don't you just love thrifting with a friend? It's so much more fun. And so she ended up going home with this vase, and she gives it this really cool makeover. And so she has a YouTube channel, and she's going to have this tutorial on that YouTube channel. So I definitely want you guys to get on over there. It's called Table Flipping Housewife. I'll have it linked. You guys got to check her out, see what else she's got going on there. If you like my videos with furniture flipping and DIYs, you will love hers. That's what she's doing over there as well. This turned out so cute. She's just dabbing it on there with that paintbrush. I got to get one of those. Then she goes in with this really pretty like tannish brown color and flicks it with a toothbrush. So you're getting all that texture, all that variation. Okay, now we're going in with some plaster colored chalk paint and a sponge. She's dabbing it on there and giving it some depth. So here was her inspo Pottery Barn. Here was her thrift find. And here was her result. I love it. So pretty. She was very happy with it as well. Make sure to go over to her channel and check out her version of our outings and DIYs, because she's going to be sharing a different perspective and different side of things. You guys saw me make over this vase a few videos ago, and I added that texture on there, and you can go check out that video. I'll have it linked below. I added that super durable texture, that Acryl Pro stuff that I really like. But I decided it was just a little bit too stark for when I went to like stage it with things and stuff. I don't know. I was really torn. I liked it sometimes and then I didn't like it other times. So if I change my mind, I'm just going to paint it back white. But for now, I'm just adding a little bit of depth. Loving it. And one final project I have for you guys, again, featuring Amy. So excited to share her with you guys. This was her inspo. You know, she's the thrifting queen. If you can show me a good thrift spot, I am forever your friend. That's the easy way in. This is a Lane cedar chest, okay? Even though it had that bad paint job that you saw on it and stuff, she fixed that all up. She did this cool thing where she's using wallpaper to get the textured look. Again, you'll want to check out her channel to see the full tutorial. And then she taught me something really cool here. Apparently, you can't sell a Lane cedar chest with the key or the lock. Put this little button here and look at that. Now it's covered, and she gives the people the lock when she sells it. So if they want to use it, they can. And it's just really cool. I had lots of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Check the description, and all the links are going to be there for some of the stuff that we use that you might be interested in. Check out Amy at Table Flipping Housewife, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!